You're probably wasting hours every single day re-explaining the same things to AI, uploading the same files over and over, copy-pasting context like it's your full-time job. Google just fixed this problem, and most people have no idea this even exists yet. Hey, I'm Ava. I help people learn and implement AI tools that actually work. And today I'm showing you something that's going to change how you use AI forever. This is about making your AI remember everything, your research, your notes, your entire knowledge base, without you having to repeat yourself ever again. But now, Google changed the game. They built a bridge between NotebookLM and Gemini, so you can store all your research, all your documents, all your knowledge inside NotebookLM, then attach that entire notebook to any Gemini chat. And Gemini instantly knows everything that's in there. Think about what this means. You research once, you organize once, then you use that knowledge forever. No repeating yourself, no re-explaining context. The AI just gets it. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm Ava. I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. I read every comment, so make sure you comment below. So let me show you how this actually works. First, you go into NotebookLM. You create a new notebook. Let's say you're building a fitness coaching business. You'd create something called Fitness Master Notebook. Now here's the cool part. You don't even need to upload anything yet. You're going to use deep research to build everything from scratch. Here's the first prompt you run. Build a trusted fitness research notebook covering strength training, cardio, nutrition, recovery, and beginner safety. Use high-quality sources only. For each topic, extract key facts, numbers, and short summaries. Create a quick facts section. You run that prompt and NotebookLM goes to work. It searches the web. It finds high-quality sources. It extracts the key information. It organizes everything into a clean, structured notebook. You didn't upload a single file. It did all the research for you. And the best part? It's pulling from real sources. Medical journals, fitness research, expert articles, everything is fact-checked and organized. You're getting hours of research done in minutes. Now you run the second prompt. Using the notebook sources, write a simple beginner-friendly summary explaining why fitness matters, how to start safely, and common mistakes to avoid. This is where it gets really good. NotebookLM takes all that research it just gathered and turns it into a simple summary. Something anyone can read and understand. No confusing terms, no overwhelming details, just a clear explanation that makes sense. And it's all based on the sources it found. This summary becomes your foundation. Your starting point. The thing you can share with beginners who need to understand the basics without getting lost in complicated science. It takes complex research and makes it easy. And if you want to learn how to scale your entire business with AI tools like Gemini and NotebookLM, you need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where you'll discover how to automate workflows, save hundreds of hours, and get more customers using AI. You'll see exactly how to use these tools to grow faster and work smarter. Link is in the description. So back to the prompts, then you run the third prompt. From the notebook sources, create a beginner 3-day per week fitness plan with exercises, sets, reps, and basic recovery tips. This is the final piece. Now, NotebookLM creates an actual workout program. 3 days per week, specific exercises, how many sets, how many reps, recovery tips, everything a beginner needs. And it's all pulled from the research it just did. You've got a complete evidence-based fitness notebook without uploading a single thing. This isn't some random workout plan. It's based on real research, real science, real data. You could sell this, you could give it to clients, you could use it yourself. It's that good. So now you have this organized, fact-checked, evidence-based fitness notebook. Everything is in one place. All your research, all your knowledge, all ready to use. Now here's the magic. You open Gemini. You click the NotebookLM icon in the message box. You attach your Fitness Master Notebook, and boom! Gemini now understands everything inside that notebook. You don't have to re-upload anything. You don't have to explain context. You don't have to copy-paste. It just knows, and now you can ask it anything. Here's the first Gemini prompt you can use. Using the attached fitness notebook, write a punchy 60-second video script explaining beginner fitness with 3 evidence-based tips. You run that and watch what happens. Gemini creates a complete video script in seconds, 60 seconds long, 3 clear tips, all backed by the research in your notebook. No generic advice, no made-up facts, just solid, evidence-based content ready to record. You could film this right now, post it on YouTube, post it on Instagram, post it anywhere, and people will trust it because it's not just your opinion. It's backed by real research, real data. That's the difference between content that performs and content that flops. Then here's the second Gemini prompt. Act as a fitness coach using only the attached notebook. Answer beginner fitness questions clearly and safely. This one is really powerful. Now Gemini becomes your personal fitness coach. Someone asks a question about working out. Gemini answers using only your notebook. Someone asks about nutrition. Gemini pulls from your research. Every answer is grounded in real information. Every response is safe and accurate because it's all coming from your knowledge vault. You could use this to answer customer questions, build an FAQ page, create email responses, handle social media comments, all without spending hours researching every single question. Gemini already knows everything because you built that knowledge base once. Here's what's really smart about this. NotebookLM becomes your memory. It stores everything. It organizes everything. It's your knowledge vault. Then Gemini becomes your thinking engine. It takes that knowledge and turns it into actions, scripts, plans, answers, content, whatever you need. Now let me give you some tips. First, the rollout is gradual. Not every account has this feature yet. If you don't see the NotebookLM icon in Gemini, you might need to wait a bit. Google is rolling it out slowly. Second, some features are enterprise only. If you're using a personal account, you might not get every feature right away, but the core functionality works for everyone once it's rolled out. Third, always check your sources. Just because Gemini is pulling from your notebook doesn't mean you should skip fact-checking. Make sure the sources you upload to NotebookLM are high quality, because garbage in equals garbage out. Fourth, organize your notebooks well. Don't just throw everything into one notebook. Create specific notebooks for specific topics. One for fitness, one for business, one for content creation. Whatever makes sense for you, the more organized your notebooks are, the more useful they'll be. Fifth, use clear prompts. When you're working with Gemini and an attached notebook, be specific about what you want. Tell it to use only the notebook sources. Tell it the format you want. Tell it the length you want. The clearer you are, the better the output. So here's what you should do right now. First, go into NotebookLM. Create a notebook for your main topic, whether that's your business, your niche, your studies, whatever matters to you. Upload your best sources, your PDFs, your articles, your notes, everything you have. Then run a few prompts to organize that information. Tell NotebookLM to extract key facts, create summaries, build frameworks, whatever makes sense for your topic. Get that notebook organized and useful. Then open Gemini, attach that notebook, and start creating. Write scripts, create plans, draft content, answer questions. Do whatever you need, but do it with your knowledge backing you up. And if you want to learn how to scale your entire business with AI tools like Gemini and NotebookLM, you need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where you'll discover how to automate workflows, save hundreds of hours, and get more customers using AI. You'll see exactly how to use these tools to grow faster and work smarter. Link is in the description. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. That's it for today. Hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.